Hi guys, how we doing? Now today, this is not my normal type of video, but it's a really important message to those who are in the UK. Now on Sunday, hang on a second, 23rd of April, which is this Sunday, at somewhere between 2 and 4 p.m, around 2:30, 3 o'clock-ish, they tell us, there is going to be an emergency test on mobile phones that the government's putting out on every single mobile phone. It's an emergency blast. It's to warn people of flooding and stuff like that, any major emergency that's going to affect hundreds of people or thousands of people all at once. So they're testing everybody's mobile phone, and they're testing this system on everyone's mobile phone. This could end up in disaster for many people who are stuck in a situation of domestic abuse and have a spare phone for emergency purposes. It is being advised that you either switch off that phone or put it in airplane mode for the duration of that time here in the UK. So please, if you are in that situation, please put that phone in airplane mode or put it on silent, not silent because it's still going to go off, but turn it off, please. Or even put that in somewhere safe where you know that the person who you are trying to keep it from will not find it or hear it. If that has to be in your car or, you know, somewhere else, at a friend's, at a neighbour's, whatever, make sure that it's somewhere where you can get to it safely. And that person who you're hiding the phone from cannot get it off you. Just try and keep yourself safe, okay? Please keep yourself safe. And please, I am going to be putting this message out on all my social media. Please do share it with all your friends. That way you can reach someone who may or may not need your help, or that knows someone who needs your help, or, you know, people that you know that need it, or even people that you may know that you don't know that they need it, okay? This is very important. It can be life-saving, so please share this as widely as you possibly can. I love you guys heaps. Stay safe. Mwah.